Tesla was able to significantly increase production at the new plant in Texas. Two sources of LSETrek.co claim that now there are between 2,000 and 5,000 cars assembled there per week. The plant in Texas was launched a few weeks ago, but until now the production there has been artificial. The main reason for the production limitation was the batteries. The fact is that Texas became the first factory of Tesla where they began to produce batteries from the newest batteries of the 4680 format. It has not yet been possible to establish mass production of such power cells, so there were not enough batteries. However, now, in addition to the standard Model Y crossovers with new batteries, the long-range version has arrived on the assembly line, which uses the same battery as the Californian, Chinese, and German-built car. It is based on the 2170 batteries that once debuted on the Tesla Model 3. Apparently, this is a temporary decision made in order to accelerate production growth. By the end of the year, the factory in the Texas city of Austin plans to produce 10,000 cars a week, which will roughly correspond to the capacity of 500,000 cars a year. It should be noted that, despite the fact that the plant in California is working at the limit of its capacity, the queues for popular Tesla models have already stretched until next year. At the same time, another new Tesla enterprise is constantly trying to increase production volumes, the Gigafactory in Berlin. Recently, the weekly production of cars here has increased to 1,000 pieces.